Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok audio. If you're experiencing issues with audio on TikTok such as audio not playing or being distorted, you can try the following troubleshooting steps and make sure you watch the video till the end. First, you have to ensure the volume on your device is turned up and not muted, and also check if any Bluetooth devices are connected that might be playing the audio. Or you could also restart the TikTok app after opening it. Simply clear the notification, clear the TikTok app like this. And this can sometimes resolve minor issues with app. You could also check for app updates. In order to do that, go to the Play Store, search for TikTok and tap over here, and there will be an option showing you an update if your TikTok app is not updated, and make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. You could also try clearing the app cache and the data if the problem still persists. In order to do that, press the TikTok app and go to the app information and select the storage and cache. And in the bottom there we could see there's two options that says clear cache and clear storage. You can do both if you want it. And you could also check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Unstable or slow connections can sometimes cause issue with audio playback. Or you could try using headphones if you're having trouble with the device's speakers. Try using headphones to see if the audio plays correctly. Or if none of the step works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the TikTok app. This can often fix more persistent issues. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix TikTok audio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.